Alright, there's JiggidyNDG himself. He's gonna go. I could probably do this, but I'd have to take my stuff off. Look at him walking through the little kiddie pool. It barely covers your foot. Whoa! He didn't see that. There you go. Look at him. You get a little wet. Okay, that's cool. Yeah! Oh! Oh man. Hey James, right here. You gonna go up in your pirate ship, man? You gonna go up in the pirate ship? You gonna go in the little pirate ship right here?
Oh no, I don't think so.
That's too much to handle.